Gem guys, how you all doing? Hope you are doing great. In this video I'll be teaching you how to participate in the Alephium Squire Program and earn some bucks. So to get started, head to your Telegram. I'm inside my Telegram right now. So search for it will be under my description anyways. I will send the link under my description, so don't worry about it. So click on it, start. Okay, so welcome to Squire Bot. Anyways, I'm here. Register. To register for the Alephium Square. Alephium is just like, the Square is just like the basic to get promoted to guard. Guard is like the official ambassador for Alephium. So this will boost your credibility to join the ambassador program for Alephium. Anyways, for this you can also earn with this Square. So let's continue. Register. Okay, perfect. Referral code optional. You can use my referral code. I'll add it down in the description box. So okay, none. So this is input your Twitter. My Twitter. Okay, for this you will need your ALPH address. To get it, just go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, I'm using an Android phone. I'll be going to my Play Store. So Alephium. Okay, download the Alephium wallet. Yeah, where you are seeing this update, you see install. Just install it. Okay, after installing, I already have my it's the Alephium. So click on receive, copy address, head back to your Telegram, paste the address. Okay, your Discord handle, add your Discord. Your YouTube too, you can add it up. So it's asking for your full name. Country of residence, put your country. How to submit your work on the bot. So to submit your tweet, just click on tweet, then paste your work. To submit your comments, click on slash, then comment, paste your work. I'm submitting comments right now. Okay, see, comment submitted successfully. To submit for YouTube and to submit for tweet, comment for YouTube, just click on YouTube, then you submit your task. So it's quite simple for you. It's quite simple. So yeah, and if you need anything you want to do on the app, just click on help. So that's all for it. Thank you.